Hi everyone, welcome to this class. Today in this class we will study cover page. What is cover page and how it works we will learn in this video. So first of all we will go to insert menu and click on cover page. Cover page is what? It is like a first page of a book or main page of the report. That is known as cover page. That we can see in many books and notebooks. The first page or the cover page same like is this. So like this we can take multiple type of cover page from here. Only one type of cover page we can take for a single document. One document cannot contain multiple pages, like every book contain only one cover page. In the same way in MS Word also one book or one document can contain only one cover page. We can do editing in it according to our choice because these are the formats only. Like we can write title of the book or title of the document. Subtitle. Date of book and author name. Ibala Goswami, like this. If background text we want to change, we can change. Like this we can change background text. If you want to take if you want to change this cover page, we can take some other, like this. So all the data that we wrote over there will be adjusted to this cover page automatically. If you want to change this direction, generally we will click from here and rotate it. And if you want to bring it in center, like we can drag and drop. If we want to change this text direction, we can do it like this. Simply click in it and change direction. Want to bring it, select in center, click it and control E to bring it to center, or go to home and click on center. Either click on control E, otherwise you can do it center from here. Here we can write little bit about book, like this. It is a review or little bit introductory part about book, so we can write like this. Here we have to write company name, company address, phone number, fax number. So like this we can fill detail. If you want to take some other type of cover page, we can select from here. There are different type of current cover page that we can take for our document. So like this we can add a cover page. It is a very small option and very easy option. Generally just simply click from here and can add a document in a front page in a document and can customize it according to our choice. So nothing more to explain in this video. I hope it will be it will be clear to you, and if it is helpful for you, like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.